Hello everyone, welcome back to the dbadmin.com. In this video, I'll break down PostgreSQL memory architecture using a real-life hotel analogy that will make it super easy to understand, even if you are new to databases. So stick around till the end and let's get started. Imagine PostgreSQL as a big hotel that hosts multiple guests at a time. The memory architecture in PostgreSQL can be classified into two broad categories, the local memory area and the shared memory area. The local memory area can be considered as the guest rooms. Every guest gets their own room, whereas in the shared memory area, the space is shared between all the guests, like the lobby, dining hall, and the elevators. Each query needs some private space or local memory but also uses some shared resources. So let's break it down. Now let's dive deeper into the local memory area. Each backend process gets its own local memory, just like every guest in a hotel gets a personal room. This local memory is used for query execution and temporary storage and is divided into sub-areas. Some major local memory sub-areas are workmem, maintenance workmem, temp buffers, and DSM, which stands for Dynamic Shared Memory. The maintenance workmem in the database is used for maintenance tasks like vacuum and reindexing. Similarly, like in a hotel, there's a special storage for housekeeper. The temp buffer is used for holding temporary tables during query execution. Similarly, like a temporary luggage storage. And the DSM is used for parallel query execution and inter-process communication, like a conference room, shared when needed. Now let's discuss over workmem. Imagine a guest working in their room, but if they have a small disk, they have to constantly shuffle papers, making them inefficient. But if they have a large disk, they can spread out and work faster. That's exactly how workmem works. The executor uses this area for sorting tuples by order by and distinct operations, and for joining tables by merge join and hash join operation. If it's too small, PostgreSQL has to swap data to disk, slowing down queries. Increasing workmem helps larger sorts and joins, but setting it too high can use up all available memory. Now let's talk about shared memory. Unlike local memory, this is used by all processes in the database. Just like hotel guests share common areas like the lobby, dining hall, and elevators. A shared memory area is allocated by PostgreSQL server when it starts up. Similar to local memory, shared memories also have sub-areas like shared pool buffer, wall buffer, and commit log. So let's look into each of them one by one. Imagine the hotel restaurant serving hundreds of guests per day. If the kitchen prepares popular dishes in advance, service is fast. But if meal is cooked from scratch, there's a huge delay. That's exactly how the shared buffer pool works. It keeps frequently accessed stable data in memory so that queries don't have to fetch the data from disk every time. Tuning shared buffer properly can significantly speed up queries. Every hotel has CCTV cameras recording everything for security. Similarly, PostgreSQL uses the WAL, which is write ahead log buffer, to record transactions before committing them to disk. This ensures no data is lost in a case of crash. Increasing WAL buffers can improve write performance, especially for high transaction databases. Just like a hotel reception tracks which guests are checked in or checked out, PostgreSQL's commit log tracks the status of transactions, which transactions are in progress, which are committed, and which are aborted. This is crucial for concurrency control and ensures database integrity. Just like a hotel has special areas for housekeeping, security, and management, PostgreSQL has additional shared memory sections. There are sub-areas for logs and control mechanisms, ensuring only authorized processes can modify data. For example, semaphores, lightweight locks, shared and exclusive logs. There are sub-areas for various background processes such as checkpointer and auto vacuum. Sub-areas for transaction processing such as save points and two-phase commit. Now that you understand PostgreSQL memory architecture, here are some expert tuning tips. Increasing the shared buffers boosts performance by reducing disk access. Optimizing the workmem speeds up sorting and joins. Tuning the wall buffers improves transaction logging efficiency. And monitor everything with pgstat activity. It helps in detecting slow queries and memory bottlenecks. Proper memory tuning can make your PostgreSQL database run up to 10 times faster. And that's how PostgreSQL manages memory, just like a hotel managing guests and shared spaces. Smash the like button if you found this useful and subscribe for more database insights. And I'll see you in the next video.